Hello, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to get free VPN for your browser. If you're looking for a free VPN, I will show you the best here. If you have Chrome or any like Firefox, you need to upgrade your VPN, or you need to buy the VPN and all. But if there is one browser which is inbuilt VPN in the browser, so just open your Chrome and it's simple. Opera Mini browser. You just search Opera Mini browser and you can download it from your Chrome. And once you open it, in this Opera browser, there's inbuilt VPN. Okay, so you can use this VPN for free. So in other browser too, you need to purchase this and that. So you once you download the Opera, you need to turn on the VPN if you want to browse privately, if you want to hide your things and all, if you want to do privacy, so go to setting. Once you download the setting and go to this search bar on the right side, just type VPN. Okay, VPN, and it will pop up, enable VPN. Right, you just turn on this one. Okay. So now the VPN is turned on, and just remove it again. And I'm going to YouTube. Okay, this is India, right? So this at the moment this is Indian server, so I just reconnect. This is NL now. It's so NL is Netherlands, maybe Netherlands NL, right? So now I'm in Netherlands server. So now you can browse anything on this here. If you want to hide your IP address, or what you're this day people used to track what you're doing on internet, so just to hide all the private things, you can turn on the VPN from the Opera browser. Okay, so you can browse anything, you can search anything, download anything. But in this Chrome and all, in Chrome you can edit, but you will not get all the facility like the Opera version. So you can use the Opera for your private browse. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you do like, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment for the next video. Thank you.